most traders lose not because their strategy is wrong, but because they don't track their performance. And if you guys know what's working or what's failing, like how can you like even improve? So that's where my free Notion journal comes. It'll help you spot your mistakes, refine your strategy, and stay consistent. So let me show you how you can transform your trade. So let's say that I took a trade on UJ. So this trade I took on 28th January. So you can like just insert your date here, and then what day you took the trade, what way you took the trade, and what session you took the trade. Also, what was your like daily bias? Is it like bullish market structure, or it was following bearish or bullish market structure? So that thing, and then what position you took during that time frame, and also did it had a liquidity sweep, or what type of entry you chose, and what was your risk to reward, and was it a win or was it a loss, and how much profit you made in that trade. And then also you can like take screenshots of your trade and then put it here so that later you can go through them. The best part about this journal is that I have given like some filters out here. So let's say that you took a trade on gold. So these are all the wins I have on gold. So I have around 76% win rate. So I should be focusing more on gold. Let's say I took trades on USD JPY. I have a 77% win rate. Okay, and then let's say you took your trade based on 1 minute fair value gap. I have a 68% win rate. So what if I add 1 minute fair value gap, a order block, market structure shift, a liquidity sweep? So it comes around 69%. The trading this thing data is small. As you go on putting more data, your journal will get more accurate. So this is how you can spot your mistake. Also, there's a chart here how my wins are taking based on the strategies that I'm using. So yeah, this is how you can like journal your trades. So the template which I'm sharing with you guys is this one. So it'll be like this. You can add your entry types, what type of entry you are taking. So let's say you're taking based on market structure shift, or support and resistance, some pattern breakout, something. So you can add it out here. And some rules: I'm not risking like 1% per trade, and I'm not taking more than 2 trades a day. This is like motivation. So this is the journal that I'll be putting down in the description, so you can like check it out, duplicate it, and then yeah, what are the learnings you learned that day, and pair you can add which pair you trade. Let's say you trade gold XAU USD. So you can create that, and then yeah, what section you trade. Use, let's say you trade London session. You can add like that, and then what date was. We'll say Monday, and then what was your daily bias? Was it like bullish or bearish? So let's say bullish, and then what position you took that day, long, entry type, some breakout structure, something like that, and what risk to reward was there on that trade. So let's say it was 2.3. It'll show you the average of the risk to reward, and was it a win or a loss. So you can say win, if loss. So we currently have 100%, so we didn't have any loss. So what profit you made? If I made like $1,000 profit, it'll sum up and come up here. So what learnings you learned? So the learning is that I could have holded my trade much longer. So okay, so and then you can like paste your screenshots, and then once you filter it out like breakout structure, and you want to see how it reacted, what all mistakes you did. So like that, you can have your data as I did here. This is my third journal. So yeah, we'll go through some examples. So let's say I took trade on order block, market structure shift, and a liquidity sweep. I have 72% win rate. So what I can do, and also have 2.11 risk to reward ratio, so I can comfortably keep this risk to reward. Still, I'll have 72% win rate. So I can open up a trade and see how the trade went, what all things I did, see what are the losses, what are the lessons I learned. This is how you can like refine your strategy and help you be more profitable. So this is how the trade went. So that's how you can refine it. So yeah, let's say I took this trade on gold, have 77% win rate, and I'm taking on London session, have 76% win rate, and my daily wise was bullish, I have 83% win rate. Also, if the position was long, it was 83. If the position is short, I didn't take any short position. So I need more data so that it can be more precise. As you go on filling your data, always journal both your wins and losses. That's the most important part about this journal. If you only journal your wins, how gonna know what losses you're gonna take and how you react to that? So yeah, uh, this is one of the journal that's gonna help you guys stay profitable, stay consistent. This template I'll be sharing in my description. Also, you guys can like join my Discord. There also have mentioned this template. I'll be adding new templates. So make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram and follow me on my Discord. Till then, thank you.